welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie, and today we're going to go ahead and do a little craft using the Dollar Tree items that I have here. Quick little fun fall DIY. So what do we have here today? So first, starting off with some burlap. Now this is not Dollar Tree, but they do have some in the floral section. I'm just using what I have left over. This is actually from the Dollarama, which is the Canadian dollar store. But I'm going to be using these rub-on transfer type stickers. Never used them before, so I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. We'll take a look, but look at how beautiful these fall stickers are. Well, they're not stickers, they're transfers. And this one here. Super pretty. And we're just going to be making like a wall or a table decor item. So I have these two, turn that around, picture frames. So I have a 4x6 and a 7x6. Look at this beautiful edge. It has like that faux wood edge. Super pretty, also from the Dollar Tree. And that's it. Other than that, I got my hot glue, so let's jump in. So before I proceed, I thought that I would share with you what my thought process was, because I am going to pivot a little and do something different. But you can leave a comment below and tell me what you think would have been better. Like what's your preference? So originally I was actually going to glue this on top of here because I really do like that 3D effect that it gives, like that layered effect is what I actually mean. And then I was going to decorate within here, and it would make a really pretty like table decor. But now I'm thinking of doing two separate because I really love this ribbon pattern. I don't know if the line down the middle is going to bother me. I'm not sure. But I'm now going to do two separate, and they're going to become table decor. So let me know which one you think would have been better, layering it together or doing the two separate. everyone, so here is my final display and how it turned out. You saw that I had some struggles. I always do, because like I always say, I'm just creating in the moment. So let's talk about those really quickly. So the first thing is the transfers were really super easy to use, but I wasn't thinking that it wasn't going to come out as bright as I saw on the paper. I just, for some reason, it just, the white background, it didn't cross my mind. So obviously you saw when I did this, it wasn't working with the brown background. You couldn't really see the images. So I had to switch to a white, which I really didn't want to do, but I think it turned out pretty nice. If I was to do it again, I probably would go ahead and glue this onto here to give it that 3D effect. But like I had mentioned, I love this ribbon, and there's so many different ways that you can make art. Art isn't always having to, you know, put something together. It could be a beautiful piece of ribbon, something you print off your computer, anything like that. So I love the ribbon. I tried to do a little bit of like a layered effect with it. And this is how I'm going to display them this year. I'm going to use them on my fireplace mantle. I put in some of these crocheted pumpkins. These are the pumpkins that I crocheted. And this is a little pumpkin I bought from Dollar Tree, just to give an idea of what the decor would look like. So I hope you enjoyed this fun little craft with me today. Leave a comment. What are your thoughts below? What would you have done differently? What did you like? And thank you so much for dropping by as always. Love and peace to you all, and have a great fall. Bye.